thanks for being here today. I'm just gonna take you along as I do a whole house clean. We have been busy trying to cram lots of summer activities into this last week and weekend before school starts. So today we're going to clean up because as with anything, when you're in and out of the house, it just seems like the mess gets bigger. No one's keeping up on it. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do a quick at-home makeup using my Jordan Essentials mineral makeup, and then I'm going to get the house cleaned up. Good enough. So one thing that I am wanting to get under control is I have this super cute tray that I got from my grandma and grandpa's house after they both passed. I feel like trays help to keep clutter, not really organized, but in a place. And I just feel like it's getting a little bit out of control. So let me turn you around and I'll show you what I'm working with here. Okay, so I have a lot of my Jordan Essentials products just on here, and most of them I keep here because I use them every day. But I want to do something that I want to hang on this wall here. So it'll be right next to the vanity and I'll be able to feel more organized that way. Hopefully I can get that done today. It's on my wish list, but not on my to-do list. So we'll see how far I get with everything else. Okay, do you want to use this to sweep? I can make it a little bit shorter.
Sure.
Okay.
That's a mop. I can use that to mop.
All you have to do is push it around and just get every surface.
And I'll go over every surface. What are some dust over here? Get this. Get that. Yeah. Yeah.
am just getting ready to mop, and I'm gonna use the Green and Clean. You guys have seen me cleaning with the Green and Clean a lot. It is a multi-surface cleaner, and I just wanted to hop on here and tell you a little bit about it and why I use it so much. It has 2 ingredients. Let's see the ingredient list. It is electrolyzed, oxygenated water, and hypochlorous acid. So the electrolyzed oxygenated water is a low voltage electrolyzed salt water. And when you mix that with the hypochlorous acid, it becomes sort of like a detergent. The hypochlorous acid is like a weak citrus acid and is a powerful antioxidant that is effective against bacteria, fungus, and viruses. So this solution, the 2 together, is something that was discovered in the 1970s, and currently it is still used in healthcare facilities and as part of other general sanitization. We are so fortunate to offer this in our Jordan Essentials catalog, and it says strong enough for a hospital but gentle enough for a crib. So you can use this on many surfaces, and it is even safe for kids and pets. So I feel comfortable using this on food surfaces and the floors where I have my pets and my children walking every day. I usually just spray a little bit on the floor, and then I mop using my mop head, which is actually safe to be used with just water, but I feel like this is just a little extra boost that I can add as I'm cleaning. So that's what I'm gonna use, and that's what I have been using on a lot of surfaces. So if anyone has been curious about that, now you know, and I will leave a link to this product and a small description below. There you go. Good job.
Good job.
I love my
Okay, it is the next day. We actually ended up playing outside pretty much all evening yesterday. By the time we got baths, I didn't have the energy to keep going on my to-do list. So I'm back at it today. I've got laundry going, and I'm trying to finish up a few things on my checkbox list. I'm gonna make some time this afternoon to hang with my daughters because school starts this week. So we are back to the grind, literally almost 5 months to the day since they got out of school because of the coronavirus. So we are excited for the change and looking forward to the school year, praying everything goes smoothly for everyone. So as I continue on today, I'm gonna go ahead and start by getting my diffuser going. Today I'm gonna diffuse frankincense, lemon, and orange. The citrus essential oils are uplifting and energizing, and the frankincense is grounding, so I think it's gonna be the perfect blend. I actually have a recipe card that I'll share here. All right, I am feeling good about the check boxes that I have checked off today. We are gonna head out after lunch and try to pack some more fun into these last few days before school starts. I feel like I keep saying that, but it's just been a long time coming, and yet now here it is, it's sneaking up on us so fast. So I appreciate you joining me. I hope you found some motivation in this. I have obviously a few things to finish up with laundry. That'll have to wait until this evening probably. Come on! Woo! We had such a fun afternoon bowling, so now I am back home finishing up the laundry. Did come up with a solution for my tray, so I'm going to show you that right now. I got it cleared off mostly. I didn't hang a shelf here. I actually just cleaned out this basket that hangs above the toilet and got rid of some stuff, and then just put some other stuff between here and there. That gave me enough storage, so I'm feeling good about that. let me know what kind of summer fun things you guys have been doing or what kind of prep you've been having to make to get ready for school. Leave a comment below if there's anything in this video that you found helpful or inspiring to let me know that you were here. Leave a thumbs up and even hit that bell button so that you can be subscribed and alerted whenever I post another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.